Welcome. NextGEOSS is a platform and hub to find and use environmental data, especially Earth observation data, to create new services. And NextGEOSS trials applications for different sectors to allow co-development of the features and functions of the system. So today we're going to find out more about one of those pilot projects which focuses on biodiversity. Hello, Elnaz.
Hello, Vicky.
So you're a university researcher. What service are you providing to your users through NextGEOSS?
The unique value of the NextGEO platform for the biodiversity pilot is that user can harvest and find the available continuous and ancillary essential biodiversity products provided by different space agencies, national and international organizations at different scales. Also, user can retrieve and compute critical EBVs, essential biodiversity variable, using remotely sensed high-resolution data by selecting the time for which user wish to call data at the global stage. And also, in addition to all these facilities, user can run the model and produce European habitat map by selecting number of the predictor that needs to be included in the model. So you can see that biodiversity pilot in NextGEO projects give a lot of facility to different type of end users. Scientists, researchers, research and development institutions, universities, international organization, public and private stakeholders, decision makers, and in particular biodiversity and remote sensing communities are our end users.
That's great. So it's some of the diversity of the actual data sets themselves that's one of the advantages of NextGEOSS.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay, so one of the ways NextGEOSS makes the hub and platform a consistent set of services by having pilot projects like yours shape how it works to tackle a range of needs. So which data set or function did NextGEOSS provide that was most beneficial to your particular users?
NextGEO make a connection between Sentinel-2 image as a high-resolution data and our biodiversity community portal, which I can say that it lays the foundation to generate more remote sensing enabled biodiversity variable for the future, which is less time consuming for researchers and also accessible to any type of user who needs such products.
And NextGEOSS uses pilot projects like yours as examples of implementation. So now that NextGEOSS is a well-established project, how will you continue to use NextGEOSS in the future?
Besides NextGEO Data Hub, which contains different EVV products, both community portal for NextGEO Biodiversity Pilot would be accessible for user even after the NextGEO initiative is over. So there is a possibility for user to use and get service from NextGEO project platform in the future. And most importantly, NextGEO has inspired other initiatives undertaken following the start of the NextGEO projects. So there are several calls in biodiversity and remote sensing communities that emphasize, I can say that, and the importance of cloud computing to generate remote sensing essential biodiversity variables for better monitoring of biodiversity. So I guess this is a valuable credit that NextGEOs deserve to receive.
Okay, thank you very much. So yeah, thank you. So your range of applications have been useful for a biodiversity point of view. So I can see that you said that there's a range of products that your users can find, and it streamlines the process for them both now and in the future, that there'll be data there that they can use for biodiversity applications. So that's
Yes.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.